How do I press OK without a remote?
Hello there. In this video, we will explore various ways on how to press OK on your device without a remote. Whether you have lost your remote or it's temporarily unavailable, we've got you covered.
Using the buttons on the device.
Most devices have physical buttons that can navigate the menu and select options, including the OK command. Here is how you do it. 1. Locate the physical buttons on your device. These could be on the side, bottom, or back of the device. 2. Use the Menu or Settings button to bring up the device's menu on the screen. 3. Use the Volume or Channel buttons to navigate through the menu. Typically, Volume Plus and Volume will move the cursor up and down, while Channel Plus and Channel might move it left and right. 4. Once you have highlighted the desired option, press the Input or Select button to press OK. Remember, these steps may vary depending on your device.
Using universal remotes or smartphone apps.
If you don't have access to the physical buttons or they aren't working, you can consider using a universal remote or a smartphone app. 1. Universal remotes. These are remotes that can be programmed to work with almost any device. Just make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for programming the remote to work with your specific device. 2. Smartphone apps. Several manufacturers have developed apps that can turn your smartphone into a remote for your device. Check the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store for a remote app compatible with your device. Once you have downloaded the app, follow the on-screen instructions to connect it to your device.
Using voice controls.
If your device supports voice controls, you can use them to navigate the menu and select options. This is becoming a common feature in modern smart TVs and devices. To use voice controls, 1. Activate the device's voice command feature. This is usually done by pressing a button on the remote, but it may also be activated through the device's menu or a smartphone app. 2. Speak your command clearly. For example, you can say something like, "Go to Settings," or "Select Option." And that's it. These are some of the most common methods you can use to press OK on your device without a remote. Remember, the exact method can vary depending on the device, so it might take a bit of trial and error to find the method that works best for you. We hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.